Good afternoon, viewers. Today my friend Lucas is going to explain and demonstrate how the new series of Ultraloqs can be fixed within 2 minutes. Lucas, can you just help us to understand how this can be done?
Sure. This is the UL1 model. So here we have the external and internal assembly. This is the latch, plate and 4 screws. It's just this that we need to install the UL1.
So are you sure you can be doing it in like 2 minutes?
Let's see.
Okay, let's see.
See, I am not a professional guy and I can do by myself.
Yeah, I see that.
So, and to finish, and close beside here. It's easy.